guys, today we are going to tackle vocabulary of kitchen, part 1. Bear in mind to stop the video for each word and repeat it. So let's get started. Plate, plate, plate. The waiter brought a new plate. Knife, knife, knife. This knife is very sharp. Fork, fork, fork. There is a fork missing. Chopping board, chopping board, chopping board. We should buy a new chopping board. Apron, apron, apron. He tied an apron on and get down to work. Grater, grater, grater. How much this grater cost? Whisk, whisk, whisk. Using a whisk, mix ingredients until smooth. Bowl, bowl, bowl. A bowl of popcorn. Strainer, strainer, strainer. We pour tea through a strainer. Ladle, ladle, ladle. I need a new ladle. Spoon, spoon, spoon. I forget her spoon. Oven, oven, oven. The oven is hot. Rolling pin, rolling pin, rolling pin. Use a rolling pin to flatten the dough. Frying pan, frying pan, frying pan, or a pan. Heat the butter and oil in a large pan. Spatula, spatula, spatula. Use the spatula to loosen the omelette from the edge of the pan. Oven club, oven club, oven club. Use oven clubs when removing tray from oven. Cup, cup, cup. He ordered a cup of coffee. Mug, mug, mug. She filled her mug with orange juice. Saucepan, saucepan, saucepan. Heat the oil in a large saucepan and brown the meat. So, see you next video and thank you for watching.